So let me show you a phenomenon called padding in practice, so that when you're writing your Golang code and you're optimizing for memory, you put that in mind. So we have an example here of random ingredients and sorted ingredients. As you can see, these two structures have the same elements. We say if it's fresh, name, price, amount, and the expiry date. The difference is in the random ingredients, they are juggled up in random order. But then when we come and we write the sorted ones, we look at the struct element that occupies the largest amount of bytes in memory, so that we arrange them in descending order. From that, when we are going to use the unsafe package now to try and see the size of an initialized random ingredient and the sorted ingredients. So let me go run main.go. Boom. And as you can see, the random ingredients occupy 64 bytes in memory, but then the sorted ingredients occupies 56 bytes in memory. So that is like you're shading off 8 bytes in memory from just arranging your structure and code in some order. So these are small structures, but when you're writing a big project, you find that maybe a structure can have like 10 or 12 fields. So just try and see which one occupies the largest space in memory, so that you arrange them in the descending order to avoid the padding or the issue that padding brings when it's arranging these in memory. So thank you, and see you in the next time when we have something like this. Bye.